right out. And you can plug this
right in here, and this charger will actually tell you if it's charging. Nothing could be simpler.
1 hour for 75 starts. So that could last you, a whole season.
Slap it on the charger for 10 minutes and you'll get 20 starts. So it charges very, very quickly.
Nice, nice.
So we're just going to push this button and magic's going to happen.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow. Wow. Many a time, as I'm walking into my garage, I go, I wonder if it's going to start. I wonder if we're going to be able to cut the grass. And if I'm in a rush, what's going to happen? So with this, it starts just like my car.
The ultimate. Rolls Royce.
That was about as easy as it got.
Very simple, very easy.
Oh my gosh! Woohoo! That is easy.
Pretty nice.
See, they're thinking of everything now, ain't they?